How to submit ROI for Victoria. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Are you dreaming of living and working in beautiful Victoria? Well, the subclass 190 and 491 skilled visa could be your ticket. But first, you need to submit a strong ROI. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the entire ROI submission process for both visa subclasses, step by step. So, grab your pen and notepad, and let's get started. Let's understand what a registration of interest, ROI, is. The ROI is a crucial step in the application process for the subclass 190 and 491 visas for Victoria. A strong ROI can significantly increase your chances of receiving a nomination for the 190 or 491 visa. It's basically your first impression to the Victorian government, expressing your interest in migrating or settling and contributing to their economy. It's a way for the state to assess your eligibility and invite you to apply for nomination. So, let's jump into the steps. Before we dive deeper, make sure to follow our Australian Visa and Immigration group on Facebook, where we post regular updates on the latest visa news and information. We have a community of people who can offer support and share experiences about their visa and immigration journey. Before you submit your ROI, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria set by the Victorian government. This may include occupation demand, work experience, English language proficiency, and more. Check the official Victoria State Nomination website for the most up-to-date information. Meet the skills assessment and minimum points requirement. Demonstrate genuine interest in living and working in Victoria. The ROI submission process. Now, let's get down to business. Here's how to submit your ROI. Head to the Skill Select website and submit an EOI. We have a separate video on how to submit an EOI. The next step is to visit Victorian government site. Head over to Visa Nominations and register as an individual applicant to start the process. Fill in your personal details and press Sign Up. You will receive an email shortly. Go to your email and confirm it. Next, you will need to change your password. That's all done. Now, click on Apply Now. You will have to input your details as an applicant, such as, select Yes, if you are living in Australia. Provide your EOI number. Select one of your intended visas. Proceed to fill in your occupation and partner details if applicable. Carefully review your information before submitting your final application. Check the declaration, and after that, hit the Submit button. After submission, you will see a confirmation screen. Congratulations! You've successfully submitted your registration of interest. A few important points to keep in mind. Choose your visa. Select either the 190 or 491 application stream. Nomination category selection. When filling out your ROI, carefully choose the nomination category, either subclass 190 or subclass 491, based on your eligibility and preferences. Understand the key differences between the two visa subclasses to make an informed decision. Complete your details. Fill out information about your skills, work experience, and earnings. Some occupations may have additional requirements or specific conditions. Ensure you read and understand any additional information related to your nominated occupation before submitting your ROI. This will help you provide accurate details and avoid delays. Proofread carefully for any errors. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information. Address your interest in Victoria. Research regional job markets in your desired field and obtain a skills assessment. This is crucial. You want to live and work in Victoria, highlighting your connection and career to the state and potential contribution to its economy. Prepare all the necessary supporting documents, such as your resume, educational qualifications, proof of work experience, English language test results, and any other relevant documents as evidence to support your claims. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to submit your ROI for Victoria under the subclass 190 and 491 visas. Remember, staying informed and following the guidelines is key to a successful application. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, we're here to help. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on all things Australia, visa and immigration. Good luck with your application, and until next time, cheers!